السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلاب الصف الأول. Hello dear students of grade 1. In this video we are going to answer the enrichment worksheet activities. Let's start with the listening activity. It says here, listen and take the correct picture. Alright. Number 1, 2 hens. So where are the 2 hens? A, B, or C? Of course it is B. So we tick it. Number 2, 11. So this is 11. Number 3, short. Look at the sheep, it is short. Alright. Now the next listening activity says, listen and number the pictures 1, 2, 3. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, thirsty. Thirsty. So which picture is thirsty? Is it A, B, or C? Of course it is C. So we write here number 1. Now number 2, hungry. Hungry. So this is hungry. On the sofa. Number 3, on the sofa. So this is number 3. So number 1, thirsty. Number 2, hungry. Number 3, on the sofa. Alright, now listening number 3. It says here, listen and take the correct letter. Alright, number 5, the. So this is the letter the. Number 6, an. An. Here is the an. This is how we do it. Alright, let's move on. Now we have reading activities. It says here, look, read, and circle the correct word. So number 7, we have this picture. So this picture, is it grandpa or brother? Of course it is grandpa. So we circle it. Number 8. This picture says 12. So which one is 12? This word or this word? We have here 10 and here we have 12. So we circle it just like that. And here we have a happy face. So which one is happy? Which word is happy? Happy, sad. So we circle happy. Now look at this picture. So which word for this picture? Tall or short? Of course, the boy is tall. Alright, next. In this question or activity, we have two pictures and one sentence or phrase. Okay? So, let's read first of all the sentence, then we choose the picture or the right picture. I have got a train. So, where is the picture for that? Is it A or B? Of course it is A. I have got a train, and this is a train. Now, number 12. Now, number 12. She is my mom. So, which picture for this? A or B? Of course it is B. Now, 13. It says here, in the kitchen. In the kitchen. So, which picture goes for in the kitchen? Is it A or B? Of course it is A. So, we circle it. Alright. 14. On the sofa. So, which picture is on the sofa? Is it A or B? Of course it is B. Alright, let's move on. Now, in this activity, we have a text, a short one, that we have to read. And after reading it, we have to answer with yes or no, with right or correct, with correct or wrong, with yes or no. So you have to put this sign, tick or X. Let's read the text. Hello, I am Amir. I have got a ball. It is black and yellow. I love it. I play with my brother. Now let's answer the questions. So, is this sentence correct or incorrect? Amir has got a ball. Yes or no? Yeah, of course it is yes or correct, because here he said or says, I have got a ball. Now, the ball is black and yellow. Of course it is black and yellow. Now, number 17. Amir's favorite toy is a robot. Is that correct? Of course it's not, because he has got a ball and he loves the ball. Now, number 18. Amir plays with his sister. Is that right? No, Amir says here, I play with my brother. So this one is incorrect. Okay, let's move on. Now we have writing activity. What you have to do is this. Write the following phrases or sentences. So this sentence, all you have to do is to write it here with a nice handwriting, of course. And the same with this phrase in the box, you have to write it here, of course, with a nice handwriting. So you write it here, and you do the same with the second sentence. Okay, in this activity it says here, label the following pictures. We have here the names: sofa, bee, wool, ball. Now let's write or label them. This is sofa, and this is the word sofa. So we write it here. This is wool, and here is the word wool. We write it here. Now this is bee. This is the word bee. We write it here. And this is a ball, or we write it here. This is the word ball. We write it right here. This is how we do it. Now let's move to the second activity. In this activity, it says here, look and write 2 sentences. The sentences are already there. All you have to do is to write each sentence under the correct picture. Let's read the sentences. I have got a bike. There are 2 cows. So I have got a bike goes here. Of course, you have to write it with a nice handwriting. You have to put at the end a full stop. Do you see this full stop? This is a full stop. You have to write it. Now the second sentence, there are 2 cows. Full stop. نقطة. Of course, the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. This is how we do it. Now the next activity. تدرب على نسخ هذه الكلمات غيبا. عليك أن تتدرب على كتابة هذه الكلمات حتى تستطيع كتابتها غيبا. Now the next activity. Fill in the gaps. املأ الفراغات. ملء الفراغات يكون بالنظر إلى الصورة وكتابة اسم هذه الصورة في الفراغ. For example, we have here honey, and here we have van, and here we have eggs. So here we have honey. We write honey, the word honey. And here we have, he has got a van. And here we have, we get eggs from hens. So this is how we do it. You have to memorize the words. Alright, let's continue. We have here the same listening activity, the same as the one we did before. Okay, number 1, 2 cats. Number 2, 11 bees. Number 3, small. It is small. So look at this. Look at this balloon. It is small. Now the second activity, it is the same. You have to number each picture according to what you hear first. Okay, number 1, thirsty. This is number 1, thirsty. Number 2, hungry. So this is hungry. Now number 3, under the table. So as you can see, the book is under the table. Now, listening 3. It says, listen and tick the correct letter. Number 5, the. This is the. TH together. The. Number 6, N. This is N. Alright, let's move on. Now, reading activities. Look, read, and circle the correct word. Now, look at this picture. Is it dad or mom? Of course it is dad. So we circle it. And this picture, is it 10 or 11? Of course it is 11. And look at this boy. Is he happy or sad? Of course he is happy. Now look at this bowl. Is it new or old? Of course it is old. It's dead too. Alright, next. Now here you have 2 pictures and 1 sentence. Let's read the sentence first. It is small. It is small. So which picture is small or has a small thing? This or this? Of course, this one. The balloon is small, and as you can see, we have this arrow points to the small balloon. Now, number 12. Let's read the sentence. She is my mom. A or B? Of course, this picture is my mom. Alright, it says here, long tail, long tail. So the cat has a long tail, but the rabbit has a short tail. So we circle the picture of the cat. Number 14, on the sofa. So look at the rabbit. Here it is in the box, but here it is on the sofa. Alright, now in this reading activity we have a short text, we have to read it and then answer some questions about it with correct or incorrect. Let's read the text. Hi, I am Alex. I have got a toy plane. It is green and yellow. It is my favorite toy. I play with my brother. Okay, Alex has got a toy plane. So, yes or no? Of course it is yes or correct. The plane is green and yellow. The plane is green and yellow. It says here green and yellow. So this sentence is correct. Now number 70. Alex's favorite toy is a bowl. Of course not. It is a plane. So this is incorrect. Now, number 18. Alex plays with his sister. يلعب Alex مع أخته. No, he plays with his brother. I play with my brother. Okay, let's move on. Now we have here writing activity. It is the same as the one we did before. You have to write this sentence here, the same sentence, and this phrase you have to write it here. There is a cat. Open the window. Just write it here and here. Alright, now here we have to label the pictures. Let's read the words first. Bed, fan, wool, doll. Here we have bed, wool, fan, and here is a doll. So the word bed goes here. The word fan goes here. The word wool goes here. And doll goes here. Alright, let's move on. I have got a plane. There are 2 ducks. So you have to write these 2 sentences under each correct picture. So I have got a plane. It is here. There are 2 ducks. We write it here. Okay. Now, writing 4. تدرب على نسخ هذه الكلمات غيبا. عليك أن تتدرب على كتابة هذه الكلمات حتى تكتبها غيبا وتتقنها غيبا. لماذا؟ لتستطيع تذكرها وتملأ بها الفراغ حسب الصورة. Okay, let's do this. We get from cows. What we get from cows? Of course we get milk. So you have to write here milk. Milk. And he has got a van. This is a van. So you have to write here a van. You have to remember the word van and to write it correctly. So here we have milk, M-I-L-K, milk. And here we have van, V-A-N, van. Okay, dear students, thank you very much. By doing this, we come to the end of today's video, or today. I wish you all the best luck in the exams. Thank you very much. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلاب. تمنياتي لكم بالتوفيق في كافة الامتحانات.